Hello, it's me everybody, and today we are playing the totally normal elevator, and I'm getting sucked underneath this mouse. It's very yummy here, I think. Sorry about that. No, no, I'm not going out that way. I will change. I can change. Oh, wait, hi. I'm almost back at the top. Help. Sorry, guys. Anyways, hello everybody, it's me, Gabriel, and today we are playing the normal elevator. I'm not poop yet, I just lost my hair. Look at me, Ruby. But by this other man lives in a garbage can, eating old foods like I am you. Ruby sucks. Like, she looks like poop, she smells like poop, it's stinky in this elevator. Yes, I love this one. Die! This one's question mark. That means we're gonna all die. Oogies. Halloween tricks and treats. Oh no. You're gonna get killed. Like you guys just did. I'm still safe. So. When you said, oh, what is that, Ruby? Okay. She said that sucks. Death! I didn't do it. I mean, she done. Sorry guys, I haven't been uploading a lot. It's just very busy. A giant cat. No, I don't want to be out here. Man, we're going out here. I'll be brave. I'm braver than you, Ruby. I'm already out here. There's Crystal. I'm gonna follow her. Ah, bunk bed. Wait, how can you sleep on a time like this? Oh, hi, Slender. Ruby's just like, hi, sir. Want a face? That's like a thing a child would say. Like technically, like technically, that's what a child would say. But we are child. Look at me right now, Ruby. Piano. Wow! Yeah, I'm very good at the piano. How is her name like in that font, Ruby? What? It's very old. JK. I'm the prettiest lady in the whole world. Oh, get out of the way. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. This robot, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. This is the meanest channel in the back. No, I always wanted you. Sorry, guys. Like, this is just my thing. The weird person in the world. Ruby, what did you do to my face? Wait, did you do anything to me? Good. I. Can shoot some hoops. Maybe I should. Well, let me shoot the hoops. I stole your friend's basketball. I'm sorry, Christella Mola. I'm Michael Jordan. I gotta kill myself. No, you don't. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Getting out of the middle. Wait, I said if I seen a dinosaur one. You know what I was gonna sing? Flintstones, where are the Flintstones? I'm on Stone Age family. Flintstones, where are the Flintstones? I'm on Stone Age family. Anyways, I said that earlier, but whatever. I got, you know why I'm singing that? I got my cat, I got her a Flintstone toy, and then she's like, because it was filled with catnip, she's like, oh, catnip Flintstones! And then, like, when I try to take it away from her, she's just like, don't bite. Don't bother. I just love Flintstones. And now I know what she's gonna be for Halloween. Pebbles Flintstone. It's gonna be so adorable. Right, Ruby? Oh, this is I Like Trains. Get out of the way, Ruby. Get out of the way. I like trains. I like trains. Yeah, I'm the weirdest person in the world. I'm gonna close the chat right now. I'm just really bored. Anyways, what is it? Oh, this is not my favorite one. That's why I'm staying over here in the corner and nobody can see me or kill me. I just don't like. It's actually giving me goosebumps in real life. I'm very cold right now, too, so that's like one of the bad parts. This guy looks like Slender. Like that actually gave me goosebumps. Like, ugh. I really hope it's that cat meme or the chicken wing eating contest. That's please don't. Sorry, Ruby took over my computer. I don't know why she did that, but you found out the code. 791 2. And ooh, this is a murder scene. Gavin is ready. Who's Gavin? I gotta wait for you. Wait for me. No, you had to wait for us. I'm scared. Half to death. I think I just disconnected. Gavin's story? Gavin, do you know how long I've been waiting? Waiting for what? Do you know how it feels? Do you know to be thrown around? To, to be someone's rag doll? Do you know idea what it feels like to love somebody? And do you have a heart broken them? I'm very scared. It looks like a murder scene. Well, I'm over it. I've just learned a part of life. I've been being. Guys, this is very scary. Like, the scariest thing. Help! Gavin can kind of help me and bring me up here. Well, guys, that's all we have for today. What's that light up there? Guys, that's all we have for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.